Where's your children? Now he's coming back. You're trying to get it uphill again. All of you in the cities complaining about your tough. But he's winning. He's winning. Lesson learned, huh? Never give up. Good morning, 11 o'clock on this beautiful Thursday. Sunrise this morning. Wow, and the ocean, the Indian Ocean, beautiful, eh? Well, we have traveled 81 kilometers north from Salt Rock. And we are entering now a town called Umtunzini. We want to go and look at the nature reserve river, see what they have to offer. Maybe we stay here. Maybe we head for Cape Vidal. Let's go and see. Well, we're here at the camp park, a campsite with 36 campsites. And the other one is 14. Beautiful area, huh? The nature. But nobody's camping here. That's not a problem. And here we have some animals, 2 zebras. (1:30) and we are 45 kilometers away from Cape Vidal. That's the road. Towing speed 80 kilometers an hour. 5th gear. And here in front is the bridge. The bridge is then crossing the St Lucia lake, inland Salt Lake. It's a big lake. I think is one of the biggest in Africa. But this is a massive salt lake. So St Lucia is situated on the shoreline of the Indian Ocean. St Lucia, beautiful nature, huh? Beautiful trees. We're trying to get to the mouth of the St Lucia Lake. For those of you that know the Sugarloaf camping site and caravan park here in St Lucia, close to the St Lucia Lake mouth, there's not one single camp, not one, not a tent, not a caravan in this whole 92 stand. And it's the end of February. Why? What is wrong? What happened? The same as with Umtunzini, ne? And it's 200 rand a night per stand for the elderly, for the pensioners. So the lessons learned is not the cheap money that will bring customers. It is what you can offer them. 3 o'clock, we are an hour later than planned. We are retired. There's no rush. It's 35 kilometers to Cape Vidal. And look at this beautiful road. See you in Cape Vidal. Let me zoom in. There in front you can see the water. This is the St Lucia Lake. So we are driving now between the lake and the Indian Ocean in the dune field. And right in front of us is rhinos. And the rhino baby, look there. Look there. Unbelievable, isn't it? Right here on our doorstep, I mean camp. Wow. Look at the leopard. Right here on the road. Look here, look here. Here she is, there she's walking. Let's wait here, let's wait here. And look at Cape Vidal. Now this is a treat. Fisherman's paradise. Eat your heart out. Yeah, beautiful stuff, huh? Well, that's just a peep of this caravan park here in the northern Natal coast with the name Cape Vidal. Eat your heart out, my friend. Eat your heart out. There's a lot of money here. Big players, these guys. Look at this beach. And this is where all the boats will be launched tomorrow. Special, huh? Special. And this is one of the reasons why we came to Cape Vidal. Amazing, huh? And then you get people that drives over this dung, not realizing how they kill all these animals. Dung beetles. And then my wife is showing somebody that drove over this dung, and with many dead dung beetles. Can you believe this? Look there, he's building his food ball. Is he getting some help, or is he... Oh, there's a fight. Fight over shit. Amazing, amazing animal. It's not only the big five. The tracks of a hippo when this concrete was wet. This is the St Lucia lake, and this is halfway between St Lucia and Cape Vidal. Amazing, beautiful. Help us protect the rare and endangered samango monkey. Secure all foodstuffs. Let me go and see if I can find a samango monkey to show you. Come with me. I want to take a walk through the park and show you Cape Vidal. And this is the plant growth, the trees. Amazing, huh? What a beautiful spot. And this is our camp. This is our Conqueror Commander. Although the ski boat fishing competition is over and the guys left this morning, here is new campers, new fishermen. You can see the type of camps they can set up. Beautiful, huh? This natural bush. Wow, what a beautiful setting. Road leading further into the bush. Monday morning here at Cape Vidal, and we've decided to take this road, and as you could see here, no turnaround for 18 kilometers. This is taking us deep into the bush. Let's go and see what we can see. That's where we came from. Well, Cape Vidal is there somewhere. There you can see the communication tower on top of the dune. Let me zoom in. Can you see that? And we follow the road just before that dunes, in that thicket. So we're going through the marsh field here. Look here on our left hand side, and let me turn around and show you on the right hand side. Look at this tree. Wow, amazing. Praise God for beautiful nature. And on the other side of the same tree, look at the fern trees, how it's growing. Well, we stopped here in the marsh and look here, huh? Remember, that's the dune field. On behind the dunes is the Indian Ocean, and this is part of that inland St Lucia lake, one of the biggest in the world. Well, I'm very sorry, but this is impossible to reflect on this video, the real life here. It's amazing. For here, right in the bush, is a bush lodge. I do not know the name, but there is the lodge, and this is the road leading to the bush lodge. Let me zoom in to that dunes, and you can see that beautiful color. And look at that raffia palms. Look there. Amazing. Wow. This is Cape Vidal, the Enzemvelo Nature Reserve. Wow, beautiful, huh? This is very young. And there we have a hippo grazing in this long grass, quite a distance from the lake, most probably 1 or 2 kilometers from the lake.